Hang on the mistletoe. I'm gonna get to know you better. This Christmas, and we trim the tree. Much thought is gonna be together. This Christmas, the fireside plays bright. Can't remember night, and this Christmas will be a very special Christmas for me. Since the cars are here, our world is filled with cheer and you. This Christmas, yeah, as I look around, your eyes outshine the town they do. Fireside blazing so bright. We're caroling through the night, and this Christmas will be a very special Christmas for me. All over the world. Merry, Merry Christmas. I want to again thank everyone for their diligent participation throughout 2025 and for the sacrifice, resources, and energy that you poured into this. And I wish each and every one of you all the best for Christmas. I urge you also to attend and to find and attend a Kwanzaa celebration in your community. And when you do find one, to promote it and distribute it to others so that we can support each other. Thank you again for everything. Peace and love.